OPPO Find X9 Pro gains 1,500 mAh battery boost while keeping same slim thickness. And this incredible engineering achievement is fueling massive excitement among tech fans because OPPO has managed to do something that feels almost impossible in today's smartphone market, which is delivering a huge battery upgrade without making the device any thicker. And according to Zhou Yibao, head of the Find product line, who have been actively teasing details of the upcoming Find X9 series, the Pro model will retain its ultra-slim 8.25mm design, the exact same thickness as its predecessor, yet will pack over 1,500 mAh more battery capacity than the Find X8 Pro, pushing it past a groundbreaking 7,410 mAh. And that's a huge leap when you remember that the Find X8 Pro had a 5,910 mAh battery at 8.24 millimeters. So essentially, OPPO has delivered nearly 25% more capacity without adding bulk, an upgrade that could dramatically change the user experience for heavy smartphone users who rely on their devices for gaming, streaming, social media, photography, and productivity all day long. And Zhou himself highlighted just how big this step is by saying endurance is very satisfying, proudly challenging fans to guess the exact figures, because this level of innovation is rare in an era when brands often sacrifice battery life to maintain thin designs. But OPPO is proving you can have both. And the story doesn't stop there because even the standard OPPO Find X9 is receiving a significant bump now, measuring just about 7.9 millimeters thick while still offering more than 1,000 mAh additional capacity compared to Find X8, which means it surpasses 6,630 mAh against last year's 5,630 mAh, again keeping a slim and stylish profile while delivering endurance that rivals even thicker flagships. And Zhou went so far as to add that the efficiency and improved longevity have been so strong that he no longer carries a power bank, a statement that resonates with real-world users who often worry about their phone dying during the day. And this claim makes the Find X9 series one of the most compelling upgrades in OPPO's history, because beyond just raw battery numbers, it signals a new era of endurance-driven flagships that still maintain elegance, thinness, and portability. And when you consider OPPO's track record of innovation in both hardware and software optimization, from fast charging leadership to advanced display efficiency and AI-driven power management, it becomes clear that the Find X9 Pro is not just a minor step up, but a major leap forward in usability, potentially redefining what consumers expect from slim flagship smartphones. And adding to that, the Find X9 series is also rumored to carry next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processors for blazing fast performance, high refresh rate AMOLED displays with peak brightness enhancements, and OPPO's latest imaging breakthroughs, including the Sony LYT-828 sensor paired with instant triple exposure technology, meaning this phone is not only built for lasting all day and beyond, but also for delivering world-class photography and smooth performance. Give it the right balance of power, efficiency, and style. And that's exactly what modern flagship buyers want. Because in a market dominated by incremental updates, OPPO is demonstrating bold advancements that stand out. And by pushing past 7,410 mAh in the Pro model, while still being thinner than many competing devices, OPPO may have cracked the code of combining slimness with stamina, which could influence the entire industry, especially as rival brands like Samsung, Apple, and Vivo often struggle to balance thin form factors with long-lasting endurance. And fans are already buzzing with anticipation about how this will translate into real-world usage, whether it's multiple days of use on a single charge, extended gaming sessions without worrying about battery drain, or long travel days without the need for chargers. And the confidence expressed by OPPO's product leadership only adds fuel to the hype. Because when a company openly boasts that even executives have stopped carrying power banks, it shows they're confident that the phone will deliver on its promises. And this also suggests that OPPO has likely made significant advancements in battery chemistry, internal stacking design, and cooling systems to achieve such density while maintaining safe thermal performance. And if this holds true, then OPPO's Find X9 series may be one of the most practical, yet premium devices of 2025, offering not only high-end cameras, displays, and performance, but also solving one of the biggest everyday pain points for consumers, which is battery anxiety. And that makes this upcoming launch extremely compelling. Because whether you are a casual user, a power user, or a mobile gamer, battery life remains one of the most important metrics when choosing a phone. And OPPO looks ready to deliver in spectacular fashion. So as we move closer to the official unveiling, the Find X9 Pro is quickly becoming one of the most anticipated flagships of the year. A phone that blends slimness, style, power, and most importantly, all-day endurance, making it stand out in a crowded market. And this could very well be the device that redefines OPPO's flagship identity, ensuring its place among the top players in the smartphone industry. And we will continue to follow every update as the Find X9 series prepares to launch, because this is TechVerse.